Hi, good day everyone. I'm replacing the transmission solenoid down there today. Start by removing the battery first. Always take off the negative and then the positive, and when you reinstall the positive first and then the negative. So to have this clamp here, just take out these two 10 bolts. Down there and down there. Remove the clamp, battery case, remove the battery. So now you remove the airbox, take out the electrical for this. There's a little clip here, pull up, down side. You want to take out this bolt here with a screwdriver, so you can remove this whole piece here. Take out this, remove this. Next step will be take out these 10 bolts, one here and one to the back there. Sometimes this is be stiff, so you have to give it a good snap to remove the entire box. Just to free up some space, remove these two bolts for this air intake, and then remove this bolt here and this bolt here to take out this entire bracket. So this is the solenoid I'm taking out, two here, two there, and two on the other side. Those two in the middle, and those two right there. If you want, you could take out the solenoid as well. This is for 5th gear, and clean it. But my issue is the solenoid, so I'll just replace this one. So this is the old one. Those are the 6 bolts there. This is what it came out. To get a picture of you, these are the bolts that came out, all at the same length. So I'll just clean this up and install the new one. Remember to take out the strainer to use back on the new part. Yeah. So this is the new part here. Looks identical to the old. Came with a new kit for seals as well. Alright, time to install. These are small pre-filters. You just pull them out like this and you clean them. CRC, mass airflow spray, just to clean out this mesher acting as a filter, and replace the O-rings. Clean out the surface and reinstall. This one here is just a guide that goes to the middle. And you have 4 of these here with the filter. These are the new O-rings. Always wet them with on the DW-1 transmission fluid, then install the seals. Do this for each and you won't have an issue. And that's it. You install the paper gasket and put on the new part. That's it. So just a small tip. I decided to put the O-rings, the paper seal, and the pre-filters all onto the new solenoid. So it'll be easier just to install. So everything was seated properly. So this is the reinstallation part. Install the 6 bolts for the solenoid. Clip the 3 clips. Install these 2 bolts for the bracket. Install these 2 bolts for the intake hose. Clip back these main clips for the harnesses. And then install the airbox. When you're installing the airbox back, tighten back this clamp, put this pipe into this grommet, put back this clamp, tighten the 2 10 bolts, one there, one down there, bring back this hose, put in your air filter, and then your smoke cover, and you're almost finished. When you install the cover, put on back these 4 clips right around, clip this mass airflow sensor and the harness back. It's just to clip it down, and that's it. Now to install the battery back. Right. So the battery has been installed, everything completed. Engine looks dirty, but oh well. Solenoid intact. These are the tools needed to complete the job. So I carried the car for test drive, everything is shifting smooth. I even shift on cold start. Looks perfect. I hope this information was helpful. If you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Thanks.